Hi guys, this is Emily again, welcome back, and for today's video we are gonna be decorating my classic half sheet happy notes using some cute squad girl stickers. And I created my happy notes using some classic half sheet happy planner refill pages and a plastic folder from Walmart. It wasn't even $1, so I made both covers out of that one folder. It isn't very sturdy, but it works. So that's what I did in here. Of course, I used a set of discs from the happy planner as well, and for the decoration I'll be using the happy planner stickers, the squad goals more specifically, and even more in specific the winter section. I created this spread a while ago, by the end of last year actually, because this isn't exactly a planner, it is just some dot grid pages. I will be creating the layout myself, for which I used a thick pen for the border and the lines in between the days, and then I just wrote down the days of the week. And for the lines I used a thick pen. I used my Pigma Micron in 08. And then for the days of the week I used this highlighter. It is the Mild Liner from Zebra. Again, it's a highlighter, but a lot of people nowadays are using them as just regular markers. And finally, for the actual days, I used my jelly roll from Sakura in the 0.06. And I highlighted the days first, meaning I created the stroke in blue first, and then I wrote on top of it instead of writing first and actually highlighting afterwards, because that way my gel pen will not smear. And now I will just be filling in the blank page with stickers, and just I will be like creating a little scene and still leaving some space for some checklists. Anyhow, this planner, it was meant to be my functional planner for 2020, but after decorating a couple of spreads, I was still not falling in love with it. I kind of fell in love with the idea, but not with the actual spreads and the actual planner, And not only this one was gonna be my functional planner, but my mini was going to be my memory keeping planner and more decorative planner. But as you already know, now my mini is my functional planner. Once 2020 started, I was just not feeling this planner that I created, and I was really missing my classic happy planner, so I decided to get one and make that one my memory keeping planner, and then the mini my functional planner instead of this one. So I left this one aside. Again, wasn't feeling it. Decorating it wasn't as fun as I was hoping for. Not for me at least, not for my decorating style. And it was a little more work again than I was expecting. So it was just not working for me because the year had not even started yet. I was only doing the fun part and it wasn't that fun. It was clearly not working and not gonna work for an entire year or so. So I simply changed my planner plans and I got the classic and the mini for 2020. And I am glad that I did, because again, I have been working already in my mini and I have been using it as my functional planner, and I have been mostly using the dashboard layout, and it have worked so much better than I ever expected. I thought, no, not enough space for deco, too much space for checklists and to-dos, and that's just not for me, not for my life, not for my style. And it has worked extremely well. It has been just exactly what I needed for my functional planner, at least. Of course, because my mini was gonna be my memory keeping planner, I actually got a vertical one, and the dashboard layouts that I have been using are from a Happy Planner extension pack. But it really works as if the planner itself was a dashboard layout, it's just the same thing. So what layout are you liking for this year? Let me know in the comments. And also let me know if you have any questions about this spread. I feel like it's very self-explanatory, so I hope the video itself was clear enough, but if not, let me know your questions. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time, take care. Bye.